Here's how to add confetti to your Woocommerce page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Now in WordPress, go to Plugins, click on Add New, and search for WordPress Code or WP Code. Install and activate WP Code by clicking Install Now. And once it's activated, you're going to be able to see the plugin, which is going to be right here at the bottom. Now, go ahead and click on Code Snippets. Once you're inside, click on Add New. Then, under Add Your Custom Code, click on Use Snippet. Now that you're inside Create Custom Snippet, under Code Preview, you need to paste in the actual confetti code. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Now, scroll down a little bit until Smart Conditional Logic. Click on Enable Logic, and then click on Add New Group. We will now create the conditions. Instead of logged in, we will choose page URL, and then instead of is, we will choose contains, and then here on the blank space, we will type in order received. Scroll back up, then give a name to the code. I'll just name this Confetti Code Test 1. Make sure that the code type is HTML snippet, then go ahead and click on Save Snippet. Next, make the snippet active, then click on Update. Now, we just have to test this on our product. On the left side panel, go to Products, and then All Products. And as a sample, I'll be using this confetti test product that I already have here. Go ahead and click on View. Click on Add to Cart. Now click on View Cart. And then proceed to checkout. Now fill out the necessary information. Then click on Place Order. And if you did all the steps I mentioned earlier correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.